Everyone's always talking about impact windows and doors, and there's always a lot of questions, whether you're replacing ones that you already have that are old or getting new ones, and we're here at the FHIA warehouse today to find out some answers. So Tat, you share so many great tips with our viewers week after week. Now, what is the process like if someone wants to change out their windows? I know right now we are in the middle of hurricane season.
So yes, now we still have time, depending on how we want to order the window, what manufacturer we choose, how we decide the strength of the glass, and then getting you scheduled for the installation. There's certainly still time for this hurricane season.
So there are other things that impact windows and doors can provide for the homeowner, aside from just protection of hurricane force winds. So what are some of those things?
The year-round benefits of having hurricane impact glass protects you from intrusion. Also, depending on how we order the glass for you, we can order it really energy efficient, so you save a lot of money on your energy bills and make your home a lot more comfortable. It also maintains your air conditioning a lot unit, because if it's required to work less, you could preserve that older air conditioning unit a lot longer too. So there's some great benefits to doing hurricane impact.
Yeah, those sound like a lot of great additional things that we might not have even realized come in with the impact windows and doors. Is there anything else that you feel we should know about keeping our home safe with impact windows and doors?
Probably two things that are really important when making this decision that we see day in and day out is, one, as a homeowner, our perception of the Florida building code and the inspection process. And for folks to understand that by getting it permitted and inspected, it really means you're bringing it up to the state minimum. You're not doing it the best way possible. So really educate yourself on how strong you want to order these windows to make sure it works in a hurricane. And the other thing, talking to the contractor and really understanding what warranties are available. If something were to get damaged in a hurricane, are you going to have to pay for the windows or doors again, or is it something that's going to be replaced? Because there are options that if you choose, you'll never have to pay for it again and it'll be taken care of for you.
Tat, thanks for sharing so many great tips, as you do every week for our viewers. But today was great to be inside the FHI warehouse, see how many homes you're going to be protecting from future hurricanes, and of course, sharing all of your knowledge on impact windows and doors.
Thank you so much for coming. We really appreciate it. Thank you.